Okay, I wanted to make a small welcome video to everybody that's in the class. This is anthropology. My name is Mr. Demagal. I will be your teacher. I've taught this course before several times last year, the most recent. The course has been redone a little bit this year, so there's some new units and they've removed some old units, but I actually think it's for much for the better. Not that last year's was bad. I just think the additions and changes are for the better. As you can see, the course is somewhat set up, but not completely, because I tend to I'll put a calendar up for sure. It'll tell you the whole semester, but those dates are not always solid. Things happen. We have testing. So I will tell you that the course will end for sure in December. Now, you may have some extra time to do things in over the break because the semester doesn't officially end till January 8th, 2024. The first week we come back from break, but all of our work and will be done in December. This is an elective course. Most of you are juniors or seniors, so there's an expectation that you will need to pass this class. You need electives to graduate. That's a state requirement and an OHVA requirement. So don't just take this course as well, I'll just get to it when I get to it. I have other important courses. All of your courses are important. That said, this is not a very strenuous course in terms of the time that's required. My assignments that you see here are listed. I do this every week, so you'll see what's due on each day. I know a lot of you rely on the calendar, and that's fine, but just remember that if the calendar says you have a quiz that day, there is reading that is attached to that. You can't just click on the quiz and expect to just know the content. The first thing we're doing this week, we're not really getting into any of the content. It's more of a getting to know you week. Getting to know you is in a folder. So when you first log in, you can log in by class home with this in front of you. You can also click on content, and that will bring up all of the chapters or the units that we'll study. Now, some of these are hidden because I have to still unhide them and alter assignments. But anthropology is a study of human beings, past and present. Anthropology looks at a variety of parts of human beings' lives, including culture, religion, family, kinship, things like that. So we'll go through those units in turn. There are 10 total units. Each unit, I don't know, 2 weeks maybe, lasts about 2 weeks, maybe a little less, depending on the unit. The reading is very simple, guys. You click on the Unit 1 introduction, and sometimes it's literally a paragraph like this. And then you click on the next one, and it may have a little bit more. See? Pictures and graphics that you can go through. Now, a reading like this will be one day. That day you have to read. We only have 2 to 3 graded assignments per unit. It's reading and then a quiz, reading and then an end of unit quiz, and usually there'll be one writing assignment as well, with the exception of the first unit. There probably won't be one. Now, this week alone, let's go back to content. You're not worried about unit 1 as much as you're worried about the getting started. This is where you'll find my contact information. You can contact me through email. You can contact me on Teams. You can text me. Right here, it's listed. You can call me. Anything. There are so many different ways to get in touch with your teachers. The next thing is the syllabus, which is basically cut and pasted syllabus like a lot of your teachers will be. However, the first part is my bio, which is different. And the rest is pretty much K-12 OHVA standard stuff. I did graduate from college so many years ago, it's hard to remember. 23 years ago from Kent State. So if anybody here is going to Kent State in a year or two, go Flashes. My wife works at OHVA as well. And my sister-in-law, you may have her from math, that's Gina Demagal. She also works at OHVA. I've been teaching at OHVA off and on for 10 years. I left for a 8-year period and came back. So I was here way back in 2007 when there were 20 some teachers total, a long, long time ago. But you'll find that throughout the semester, the last part of the recording, because I'm not going to keep this very long. The last thing I'll tell you is that I'm very fair. So if you need to contact me about anything, you're not going to get any kind of, major pushback as long as you're making sense. Hey, I can't submit this on time because I have a doctor's appointment or I have a prior engagement, or even if you're traveling out of town because Thanksgiving break is coming up and you're leaving early. I'm willing to work with you on a lot of different things. My big thing is at the end of the day, you get the work done. So just keep pace every week. Look at your assignments. Prepare, to get it done before the week is up, and keep in contact with your teachers. Those are the best things I can give you in terms of advice for this upcoming semester. With that, I'll let you guys go. If you have questions, please let me know. Yes, I'm wearing a Boston Red Sox hat. No, I'm not from Boston. If you ever want to talk baseball, I'm happy to do that. But you guys have a wonderful day. And like I said, contact me if anything comes up. Otherwise, I will see you on Tuesday for our first class, which is at 12:30, and the link should show up on Tuesday. So see you then.